We will see how shell sort works in this video. Shell sort is improvised version of insertion sort. If the smallest element is at the right corner. In this example, the 11 is the smallest element, it is at the right corner. In insertion sort, we have to compare 11 with all the previous elements that are present to bring it to the first position. 11 should be in the first position, so we have to compare it with all the previous elements. Shell sort reduces the number of comparisons when this is the case. It does this by breaking the original list into number of smaller sublists, and each of the sublist is sorted using insertion sort. The elements that are far apart from each other are compared. So initially we take the gap as n by 2. N is the size of the array. So the gap becomes equals to 3. The third element is compared with the first element. So we are comparing the elements that are far apart from each other. And then the gap is reduced until it reaches 1. So initially the gap is 3 n by 2, and then gap keeps on reducing in each pass. Gap equals to gap by 2. So initially 3, then the gap becomes equals to 1. So we keep reducing the gap, and then we used Insertion sort for sorting. Initially 13 and 15 are compared. 13 goes to 13 and 15 are swapped. 20 and 18 are compared. 18 is less than 20, so there will be no change. 11 and 16 are compared. 16 is greater than 11, so 11 comes to the second position. Then the gap becomes equals to 1 because 3 by 2 is 1.5, so we take it as 1. Now this element and this element are compared. This and this is compared, so that's how cell shell sort works. So initially gap is 3, so 13 and 15 are compared. 15 is greater, so 15 goes here, 13 goes to this position. Now 20 and 18 are compared. 18 is less than 20, so there is no change. 11 and 16 are compared. 11 is greater, so 11 and 16 gets swapped. Now gap reduces and gap becomes equals to 1. 18 and 13 are compared. 13 is less than 18, so there is no change. 11 and 18 are compared. 18 is greater, so 18 goes to next position. 13 and 11 are compared. 13 is greater, so 13 goes to next position. 11 goes to first position. This is how shell sort works. Gap equals to 1, then insertion sort and shell sort are same. It- The shell sort now, since the gap is 1, shell sort is working exactly like insertion sort.